In this video, I will show you how to use an Xbox 360 guitar controller with Frets on Fire on a Mac. First, you need a Mac with a working copy of Frets on Fire installed. If you are having trouble finding a working Frets on Fire version for Mac, I can tell you where to download one later in the video. The Mac should run OS X Tiger, that's 10.4 or later. Second, you need an Xbox 360 guitar controller. I have a wired Explorer controller that I got at GameStop used for $35. The stickers were the previous users, but the driver I will show you in this video also supports a newer wireless guitar controller, like the one that came with Guitar Hero 3, as long as you also have an Xbox wireless gaming receiver. Okay, so now on to the actual tutorial. First, you need to download drivers for Mac that will let you use the 360 controller. I will link to the drivers in the description of the video. The drivers work quite well, and they are universal binary, so they can be used on both PowerPC and Intel Macs. After you download the .dmg file, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After it installs, it will ask you to restart your Mac. Do that, and then you will find that you have a new preference pane installed titled Xbox 360 Controllers. Now you can plug in your Xbox 360 controller, or if you have a wireless controller, turn it on and plug in the 360 wireless gaming adapter. Now launch Frets on Fire. Since I'm using a mod, your screen probably looks different than mine. Go to Settings, then to Key Settings, then to Player 1 keys, if applicable. Next, change the settings of the keys so they are from the guitar controller instead of the default controls from the keyboard. Change the default pick to the down strum on the guitar, secondary pick to the up strum on the guitar, and the F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5 keys to the green, red, yellow, blue, and orange keys on the guitar respectively. If you have a mod that supports star power, map it by tilting the guitar upward as you would normally do to activate star power, because the driver detects the tilt sensors inside the guitars. Go back and select Test Keys to see if it all works. If all of the keys work, then congratulations, you have properly set up the guitar. The result should look like this. I don't think you want to hear me play the whole song, so I'll just stop here. And thanks for watching my tutorial. If you can't find a working version of Frets on Fire, it's probably because you downloaded it from their website. Currently, the Mac version posted there doesn't work. Someone made a few versions that do work, and they even have some good mods installed on them, which is pretty cool. If you haven't already, go to fretsonfire.net and get an account there. I will link to the specific thread in the description. A user of the forum, whose name on the forum is Trinidude4, was kind enough to port over working versions of Frets on Fire with mods installed. And if you're watching this, Trinidude4, thank you, because these mods are the latest versions and they are all universal binaries and they all work great.